So welcome, PHP Arithmetic Operators. Or let's start with operators. PHP operators are symbols that tells the PHP processor to perform some certain actions. And the first type of operators we have in PHP is what we call the arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators are used to perform common arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. So let's check this out. So first thing first, we create our PHP tag. Then let's just declare some variables. So let's say the first one should be x, and let's x be equal to 10. Let's create another variable called y, and y should be equal to 4. Now let's start. So if you check what we had here, the first operator we have is addition, then subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. So let's see them in action. So I'm going to do an echo statement quickly. Then the first one is going to be for addition. So we say variable x plus variable y. So we are echoing out the results, and let's see what it says. So let's open it in a new tab. And as you can see, this is 14. Okay, so let's proceed. Let's copy this and let's create our next variable. Our next arithmetic operator. So let's use this one for minus. So 10 minus 4 obviously is going to be 6. So let's check that out. So let me put a break statement in between so that we have a new line. So let's reload. As you can see, variable x minus y is equal to 6, that is 10 minus 4. The next one we should try out is the multiplication. So let's change this to times, asterisk. This is going to give us 40. So let's reload our page. And as you can see, we have 40 right here. The next one we should check is division. So division is this. And what's going to be our result? 2.5. So 10 divided by 4 is 2.5. The next one is what we call modulus. Modulus is the remainder from a division. So modulus, you use the percentage sign to depict it. And let's check what that says. So let me save, okay. So modulus of 10 divided by 4 is 2. That is, if 10 is divided by 4, it will go into 4 2 times. That is, 4 times 8. Sorry, 2 times 8. 4 times 2 is equals to 8. So 2. But the remainder from that division is 2. That is modulus. 2 is the remainder from that division. And also, there is one I did not show you from the PowerPoint slide, and that is exponential. So we use 2 asterisks for exponential. That is raised to the power of 4. So 10 raised to the power of 4 is going to be what? Oh, sorry, echo. So 10 raised to the power 4, that is 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 is 10,000. Okay, so that is it, guys, on arithmetic operators. I would see you in the next one.